English 2nd chapter 2, class 6 English 2nd chapter 2, positive, negative and interrogative sentence. And we learn what is positive and negative sentence. So what is positive sentence? A positive sentence tells us that something is so, or the existence of something. And a negative sentence tells us that something is not so. And now let's move on to the next topic, using other negative words. Using other negative words. Some negative sentences are formed with other negative words such as no, none, never, nobody, no one, nothing, nowhere. Okay. Some negative sentence are formed with other negative words. हमने पहले ऑलरेडी ऊपर देख लिया कि नॉट लगा के हमने क्या बनाता है, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाते हैं, राइट. अभी कुछ और नेगेटिव वर्ड्स के साथ हम क्या कर सकता है, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस को बना सकता है. वो नेगेटिव वर्ड्स क्या क्या हो सकता है, नो, नन, नेवर, nobody, no one, nothing, nowhere. These all are some negative words. By using these we can make some negative sentence. Read the following negative sentence. They are going nowhere. They are going nowhere. This is a negative sentence, right? वो कहीं नहीं जा रहे. Negative sentence. None of the shops had that doll. कोई भी शॉप में वो डॉल नहीं था. दैट इज़ अ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. नोबडी टोल्ड मी अबाउट द एक्सीडेंट. किसी ने भी मुझे वो एक्सीडेंट के बारे में नहीं बताया. दैट इज़ अ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. आई हैव हैड नथिंग टू डू सिंस मॉर्निंग. मैं सुबह, मेरे पास कुछ नहीं करने को था, सुबह से कुछ नहीं है मेरे को करने को. दैट इज़ अ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. शी नेवर गोज़ एनीवेयर विदाउट हर बैग. वो अपना बैग के बिना कहीं भी नहीं जाती. That is a negative sentence, right? You have no reason to complain. Complain करने को तेरे पास कोई भी reason नहीं है. That is a negative sentence. See, nowhere, none, nobody, nothing, never, no reason. All these are negative words, and with these words we can make some negative sentence. Okay. Other changes that must be made in a negative sentence. We can make some more changes to make a negative sentence. When a positive sentence is made negative by means of negative words such as not, never, no, etc., there may be some other changes that need to be made to the sentence as well. अभी हमने एक पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस को नेगेटिव बनाना है. ओके, पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस को नेगेटिव बनाना है. कैसे नेगेटिव बनाना है? कुछ नेगेटिव वर्ड्स के साथ, लाइक नॉट, नेवर, नन, नोबडी, नो रीज़न. ये सब वर्ड्स, नेगेटिव वर्ड्स के साथ हमको एक पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस को नेगेटिव में बनाना है. लेकिन पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस को नेगेटिव में बनाने के टाइम हमको वो सेंटेंस में भी कुछ चेंजेस करना पड़ेगा. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर सी, ये in first column these are positive sentence. ओके, इस फर्स्ट कॉलम में क्या है, पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस दिया है. इसको हमने नेगेटिव वर्ड के साथ नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बना दिया. एंड ऑल्सो देर आर सम चेंजेस इन दिस सेंटेंस. ओके, फर्स्ट वन, शी सो समबडी इन द गार्डन. शी सो समबडी इन द गार्डन. उसने कुछ किसी को गार्डन में देखा. तो ये क्या है, पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस है. अभी हमने इसको नेगेटिव बनाना है. तो शी डिडंट सी एनीबडी इन द गार्डन. अभी इधर देखो, शी सो समबडी इन द गार्डन. ये समबडी को हमने नेगेटिव वर्ड में कन्वर्ट किया एनीबडी एंड मेड सम changes in the sentence. She saw somebody in the garden. She didn't see anybody in the garden. Next one, some of the tourists have already arrived. कुछ tourists already पहुंच चुका है. None of the tourists have arrived yet. See, some को हमने क्या किया, none बना दिया नेगेटिव में and made some changes in the sentence. Again, none of the tourists have arrived yet. I can see someone. I can't see anyone. Next one, the patient has made some progress. The negative is the patient hasn't made any progress. Something interesting always turns up. Nothing interesting ever turns up. So when we change a positive sentence to negative sentence with some negative words, there may be some other changes that need to be made to the sentence. Okay. Now next is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. With the help of these sentence we can ask questions. So we already know in what is interrogative sentence, right? Interrogative sentence, with the help of these sentence we can ask questions. In interrogative sentence we ask question. There are two kinds of questions. First one is yes or no question. Yes or no questions, and the second one is WH questions. Now let's learn what is yes or no question. Yes or no questions are questions that expect an yes or no as their answer. So you already know what is yes or no question. yes or no क्वेश्चन यानी क्या है, जिसका आंसर हम किस में एक्सपेक्ट करता है, यस या नो में हम उसका आंसर एक्सपेक्ट करता है. तो व्हाट इज yes or no question? yes or no questions are that expect a yes or no as their answer. Let's go through some example. Is he a player? Yes. Are you enjoying here? Yes. Can I use your pen? No. Does she come here? No. So these are yes or no questions. We can answer these questions as yes or no. To form yes or no question, we use verb am, is, are, was, were, do, have, will, may, can. The subject of the verb is placed immediately after the helping verb or after the first helping verb if there is more than one. तो how to make this yes or no question? yes or no questions कैसे बनाते हैं? हेल्पिंग वर्ब के बाद क्या है, सब्जेक्ट को प्लेस करते हैं. हेल्पिंग वर्ब प्लस सब्जेक्ट. Okay, the subject of the verb is placed immediately after helping verb, after the first helping verb if there is more than one. अभी ऐसा yes or no question बनाते हैं, helping verb plus subject plus rest of the sentence. ओके, सो अगर एक सेंटेंस में एक से ज़्यादा वर्ब है तो फर्स्ट वर्ब के बाद क्या लगाना है, सब्जेक्ट को लगाना है. ओके. क्वेश्चन, आर यू वाचिंग ए मूवी? एक्सपेक्टेड आंसर yes or no. It will rain again. Okay, here see, are you watching a movie? Expected answer is yes or no. Will it rain again tomorrow? yes or no. हाँ ये तो yes बोलना है, no ये तो answer is no. yes or no questions ask a positive yes or negative no answer. In yes or no questions we get if the answer is positive we get answer yes, and if it is negative we get answer no. The answer is usually in the form of yes plus pronoun plus helping verb, and the answer of this yes or no questions can be in the form of yes if it is yes plus pronoun plus helping verb, and whether the answer is no plus pronoun plus helping verb plus not. See, question for example, did you enjoy the party? Did you enjoy the party? Yes, I did. See, if the answer is yes, yes plus pronoun plus helping verb. Okay. Have you any car of your own? Have you any car of your own? No plus pronoun plus helping verb plus not. You can use I, no I haven't, or I don't. Yes or no questions are formed as has, have plus subject, or helping verb plus subject plus main verb. These are the question forms. Has she the ability for the job? Has she the ability for the job? or does she have the ability for the job? Next example is, would you like to come with me? Would you like to come with me? Okay, these are the forms of yes or no questions. Questions that are not formed with be or have are formed with do. अगर क्वेश्चन be और have से नहीं बना रहा है तो उसको किससे बनाना है? With do. Do they start their journey for pilgrim? Do they start their journey for pilgrim? The next one is, did you complete your homework? Okay, these are kinds of yes or no questions. Okay, आप लोग इसको भी इतना जो पोर्शन से आप लोग इसको अच्छे से बार बार रीड करके उसको लर्न